Hi, many people ask me what dedicated features Eazybe is offering for individuals. So now in this video, we are going to discuss about the features of Eazybe for individuals. So here you can see I have already logged into my WhatsApp web and already installed Eazybe extension. So as an individual, you can use all these labels or you can create a custom label by yourself. So for creating a label, just click on add label option, choose a label or funnel, write a name, suppose sales, we can also write it different name or choose personal or shared. So what is the difference between personal label and shared label? Personal labels are those labels which are visible to us only, and shared labels are those labels which are visible to all the members of our organization. We can also make a funnel. So what is the difference between label and funnel? So by label and funnel, but in particularly funnel, we can make stages and we can choose the progress of our clients or customers, or we can monitor the progress of our customers. So what we have to do, name these stages, click on create, and the funnel will be created. Second is broadcast messages. We can broadcast a message inside a particular label to so many people. So for this, we have to do just click on quick reply, but we want to send a message, send to a particular label, and click on send. And that message will be sent to this particular label, and all the members inside this label will receive that message. Third one is our user profile, in which follow-up and task option is there. So follow-up are those follow-ups which we want a notification on screen. So what we have to do, just choose a follow-up and suppose meeting, tick on it and choose a date and time for that particular follow-up, suppose 7:03 p.m. and click on create. So we have created a meeting for 7:02 p.m. It will also be reflected in task. Here you see time and date is also written here. We can make this follow-up personal or shared. So personal follow-ups will be visible to us only, and shared follow-ups will be visible to all the members of our organization. Another is our Google Calendar. We can sign in to Google. Suppose we proceed without signing in. So what we have to do, this is our simple calendar. We can see it by month. These are all the follow-ups we have created to create a follow-up or any task in Google Calendar. What we have to do, click on add, choose an event name, choose date. If we want to repeat it all day, we can click on all day repeat. Or we can also click on notification email if we want a notification on screen or we want a notification by our mail. So just click on save and we will get this notification at a particular time for a particular day. Another one is our quick reply. So quick reply are those replies which we have previously made, and we can just directly click on it and that reply will be sent to that particular person. Also, quick reply is also personal or shared. So personal replies are those replies which are visible to us. These replies are for me only, and shared replies are those replies which are visible to all the persons of our organization, and anyone can use these replies. Also, scheduling message is there. So for scheduling a message, click on scheduler, choose date and time, write your message. Also, we can custom recurrence. Is custom recurrence means we can repeat that message every, suppose 1 week, day, month, year. So by this, we can schedule a message and that message will be sent to that person in a particular time automatically. Another feature is our AI feature, in which we can get AI suggestions automatically to answering the particular question, or we can also rephrase our sentence, in which our grammatical mistakes will be reduced and we get more professional sentence. For example, I have written hello, good morning, and my hello spelling is wrong. You can see good morning, Eazybe. So I want to rephrase it. So here you can see my grammatical mistakes of hello will be reduced by AI. So this is a very useful feature of AI. So these are all the features we can use as an individual, but not only those. Eazybe provides other features also, which is our CRM integration, in which HubSpot, Google Sheet, Bittrex, Webhooks, Zoho, Freshdesk, all these CRM software will be directly integrated to our WhatsApp, and we can update all the tasks, follow-ups, meeting, all these things directly from your WhatsApp. Another feature is our team inbox feature, in which we can just click on organization, go to our team inbox, and we can monitor the chats of the person. So what we have to do, this is our Eazybe workspace. Just click on it. So this is our team inbox feature on the left side. So by this, we can monitor the chats of all the persons. Also, all the labels and funnels will be visible here. And also that follow-up and task will be visible here. So by this, we can monitor the chats of our team, our sales team, or any other person who is working in our organization. So these are all the features which is available inside Eazybe extension.